So, as many of you know, after Robinhood sided with hedge funds in Wall Street over their own customers and decided to restrict the trading of GameStop and certain stocks that Wall Street was shorting and they didn't want to lose money, after that occurred, Robinhood's rating on Google Play went down to 1 star from 5 to 1, or it was like 4.5 or something down to 1, right? And Google Play or Google manipulated things and they deleted all those bad reviews. They were like, oh, Robinhood's our buddy. We can't let this happen, right? And Robinhood went from 5 stars to 1 star back up to 5 stars. Well, the saga continues as Robinhood is now back down to 1 star on Google Play. This time, Google says it won't intervene. This just shows how powerful we are as a collective when we move together in a decentralized fashion on the internet against companies that like to rip people off. Second wave, once again, the now infamous stock trading app Robinhood finds itself with an utterly abysmal rating on the Google Play Store. At this time, Google isn't going to save it, a company spokesperson told The Verge. Robinhood has become profoundly unpopular as of late, especially after it restricted users from buying shares in companies like GameStop and AMC in response to the WallStreetBets fiasco. Now, negative reviews are flooding in for all sorts of issues, and the app's reputation seems all but irredeemably tanked. Yeah, very interesting. I love to see this, and this shows they can't manipulate everything. Eventually, people will catch on. You know, they thought they could delete all the bad reviews and no one would notice. We noticed, and we came back in a second wave. Currently, they are at 1.1 out of 5 stars. This is all happening as Robinhood is, looking at the possibility of IPOing and going public on the stock market where you could buy actual, the company Robinhood, right? A stock in Robinhood. I know it's kind of a little bit, not ironic, but a little bit strange to buy a stock in a stock trading company, but it's just a brokerage. And I think I saw an article the other day that Robinhood has scrapped their plans of going IPO, at least until this blows over. And I just love to see this. You can go on Google Play right now. 1 star. Yeah, it's just 1 star. The article said 1.1, but I just see 1. Maybe I'm blind. But I love it. I love it when companies think, oh, we know what's best for you, and that, we don't want, whatever their excuses are. Point is, Robinhood looks like it's all done. It's hemorrhaging users. People are bombarding it with bad reviews. The internet will not forget this. The internet never forgets. I love to see this. I love it. You want to side with hedge funds over customers just because Reddit and the internet won a battle? Okay, well, enjoy your 1 star. That's it for this video. If you enjoyed it, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and share it. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day. If you're worried about big tech or big government gathering your personal information and personal data, look no further than PureVPN. Right now, using my link in the description, you could get 47% off of their 1-year deal and 70% off of their 2-year deal if you use my link in the description. Using a VPN is a great way to secure your privacy and stop hackers, intrusive governments, and large corporations from gathering your personal data against your wishes. Once again, use the link in the description if you want to get this amazing deal.